Merry Christmas and welcome to day 9 of the 12 Tools of Christmas. And today we're talking about Headway, which is an app that I use on my phone to have condensed versions of very large, longer books. Personally, I can't read very good and it usually hurts my brain a lot to read. So if I'm able to get a book that's this thick and condense it to like that thick and be able to just read it on my phone, of course I'm taking that chance.
The Headway app, or Headway Books Key Ideas, is a Google Play Store app. The app provides book summaries that are only 15 minutes in length to read. You can dive into any topic and master any skill with the world's best books on productivity, negotiation, money, health, love, business, investment, etc. Headway also provides audio versions of their book summaries, as well as actionable insights that you can use in your daily life. And they also make it a daily habit where they provide free chapters for you to be able to get you reading and get you consuming content and learning at a better rate.
So we hope you enjoyed the video and make sure if you do use the tool to comment below and let us know how you went with it. Make sure you check us out on all of the social medias and the Facebooks. And if you have any questions, you can just DM us or let us know in the meantime. All right, hope you have a Merry Christmas and check out tomorrow for another tool. 12 Tools of Christmas. I actually quite like the name. Bye.